Hey guys, Frank Cantone here, president of ABH Pharma, and thank you in advance for taking a tour of our facility and hopefully giving us a chance to manufacture your products. As a brief background, ABH has been manufacturing dietary and nutritional supplements for over 23 years. We specialize in capsules, tablets in both solid and chewable format, soft gels, herbal powders, sports nutrition powders, gummy vitamins, liquid capsules, liquid beadlet filled capsules, and liquids from 2 ounces to 32 ounces. Thanks to our loyal customers and great team, we've been fortunate enough to move into our new 50,000 square foot facility, which we look forward to showing you in detail. Now follow me to see how a supplement is made to GMP standards. And here's where it all begins. This is our in-house GMP Testing Lab. We're able to perform all necessary GMP compliance testing under one roof. In this area, we have our brand new ICP-MS machine where we're able to test for heavy metal and mineral content. We test each and every raw material as well as finished product for this, and the heavy metal parameters are arsenic, cadmium, mercury, and lead. We're able to test for disintegration in-house for both capsule and tablet. We have the necessary HPLC machinery for potency testing, as well as FTNIR for identity. Each and every material that is brought into this facility is placed into a quarantine section and released into the manufacturing section once it's approved by this laboratory. Otherwise, nothing else is used. In the back, we have a brand new microbiological bacteria lab. This, once again, is for all raw materials as well as finished products. Now let's move into the production area. This is one of our fully automated high-speed packaging lines. This line is able to produce anywhere from 30,000 to 50,000 bottles per day, depending on the count per bottle. We typically see products go as low as 10 pills per bottle, all the way up to 360 for our clients' private label needs. This line has 2 SwiftPak laser counters, a 12-station and 4-station. We check each bottle every 10 minutes to ensure that the correct amount of pills is distributed into each and every one. This is our automated desiccant packer, also automated cotton stuffer. Here we have a lid torquer, label application. This is the induction sealer. This is how we actually get the little seal under the lid to adhere to the lining. As it comes around the band, every bottle receives either a clear or a sealed for your protection neckband. That's actually your choice. Also, each and every bottle which leaves this facility has its own unique lot number and expiration date. That way there's a tracking system in place. We have case packs available from 12 all the way to 144 bottles per case, depending on whether you're distributing to stores or shipping directly to Amazon FBA from our warehouse. Here we have our highest speed packaging line. This is actually a brand new addition to the facility. This line will be able to produce closer to 100,000 bottles per day, once again depending on the count per bottle. You'll see this is a longer line with more pieces to it. This is an automated bottle scrambler coming up on my right, which will shoot the bottles out standing up. What makes this line so much faster is actually the amount of stations it has. The last had 16 stations. This has a total of 32. These are 2 8s as well as another 2 8s. Once again, laser counters and checked every 10 minutes to ensure the proper distribution of pills into the bottle. This line has 2 cotton stuffers to keep up with the output of the counters. And what makes this line very special is actually our automated rejection system. Anything that comes through this with any type of heavy metal would be automatically rejected right through here. Once again, lid torquer, heat induction sealer, label application. This line has the ability to output both pressure sensitive labels as well as full body shrink sleeves perfectly shrunken to the bottle. This is actually more challenging than it sounds, and we are able to accomplish this due to our advanced full body heat tunnel. Once again, everything that leaves this line also has its unique lot and expiration on the bottom of each bottle. Here we are in the warehouse portion of our facility. We are currently standing in the release section of the warehouse, which means anything in this area has been approved and released by the QA/QC lab. It's been positive for identity, potency, low microbial, and heavy metal that we're able to manufacture with to GMP standards. Anything that comes into the facility is placed into the quarantine behind those doors until approved for those standards and receives a green release sticker, which once again means the material itself is approved for our quality control standards. Our contract manufacturing facility is currently 50,000 square feet. Where we are standing now is a portion of the second floor we are building, and we also have a permit to add 20,000 square feet onto the parking lot. Between the second floor and new parking lot addition, we'll be able to double the size of our contract manufacturing facility, making it 100,000 square feet with your continued support as well as the work of our staff. The reason we decided to renovate this ex-pharmaceutical manufacturing facility into our own nutraceutical manufacturing facility was due to the impressive flow it already had in place. You'll notice I'm standing in front of the pharmacy and compounding section of our warehouse. In this area is where we schedule and weigh all the raw materials that go into every formula. For example, if a multivitamin has 70 different ingredients, we have 2 people, one checking the other, weighing out each and every ingredient to make sure it's the correct amount to go into the blenders, which are located directly next to our compounding warehouse. What this does for us is create a very easy flow of manufacturing, and it also eliminates chances of cross-contamination when you have to go back and forth from one section of the facility to the other in order to accomplish simple aspects. Here we have a few different blenders we utilize. Here we are in front of our largest ribbon blender. Ribbon blenders are extremely useful when it comes to tough to mix multi-ingredient compositions that may have sticky materials or ones that are not easily uniform. Picture this machine as almost having a whisk in the middle, homogeneously mixing all of the different ingredients together so that we can achieve the perfect end composition of the product you need, whether it is a beverage drink, 2-piece capsule, or a tablet that needs to be pressed by one of our tablet presses you will see shortly. Behind me is another new addition to our ABH manufacturing family. This is our 85 cubic foot V blender. This blender was necessary to continue to assist our growing clients with an increased capacity for manufacturing. This is also the perfect blender for easily mixed protein drinks. We are now offering private label proteins, whey-based as well as vegetable, from 1 pound to 5 pound jars. Contact us for a private label protein quote. Here we have our whole way of manufacturing. We hope this demonstrates the capabilities and capacity we have to offer here at ABH Pharma. This is our tablet coating section. Here at ABH, to continue to provide a turnkey solution, we have in-house tablet coating. Tablet coating is definitely necessary on any tablet manufactured other than a chewable or fast mouth. Tablet coating allows for the tablets to not become brittle or cracked in the bottle, also makes for a more pleasurable swallowing experience for the end consumer. And here we have our powder filling room. This is our automated image filler. This machine can fill a variety of sizes as well as weights. This machine can fill both HDPE and PET bottles, as well as stand-up gusset bags. This is the machine responsible for all of the collagen, bone broth, as well as the other stock protein items, as well as BHB products we now offer in powder format. Each and every bottle is weighed to ensure accuracy, and then a desiccant pack and plastic scooper with the accurate serving size is inserted to each bottle. The bottles are then cleaned, taken to another room, and labeled to ensure that there's no powder residue on the outside of your bottles under the label. This makes for a cleaner manufacturing process and a better item for the end consumer. This is our compression section. Now that we've performed all necessary GMP testing on each and every raw material, appropriately weighed all the materials, and blended them in one of our 4 blenders, we are ready to make the custom tablet for your product. We have tablet presses available from a round chewable punch to oblong tablets, as well as for the larger formulas, bisects, so your customers can actually break the tablets in half before taking them. This is one of our fastest tablet compressors. This has 32 stations and 2 heads for tablet feeding. Here we have our encapsulation. This is one of our fully automated encapsulation machines. The reason that we do have minimums in place here at ABH Pharma is due to our stringent quality control and cleaning protocols. Between each and every run of any product here at ABH, we have to fully take apart, clean, and sterilize each and every machine. Now that we've done this, we are able to run your custom capsule formulation. We are currently in one of our inspection chambers. Whether we manufacture 100,000 capsules or 10 million, each and every one gets polished twice and inspected. On my left, we have a double polishing procedure going on with one of our capsule products. On my right, we have the same product being inspected after it's polished to ensure that each and every capsule that goes into one of your bottles is perfect. What we feel separates ABH Pharma from other contract manufacturers is we don't view ourselves as one, but your partner in production. We've implemented both programs to be beneficial to startup entrepreneurs looking to get into the supplement business, as well as long-established supplement companies looking to have their products made by a reputable supplier. To see how great our people and processes are, please give us a call at the number at the bottom of our screen to speak with one of our specialists. From our CEO, Dr. Islam, to the rest of our staff, we'd like to thank you for taking this tour of our manufacturing facility.